Hi all! I'm really excited that you've joined me today for DIY Baby Grogu. The materials you'll need from home are a pair of scissors, a pencil, and a Sharpie marker. Your kit will have everything else you need, including tacky glue, the felt, a needle, and thread to sew with. The thread I will be using will be white, so it'll show up easier. From here, you'll want to start cutting out your template. I labeled my template with all the colors for the different pieces of felt, and you can do the same if you wish. I also recommend cutting out just one of the Grogu and one of his little outfit because it's going to be easier to make an exact copy with one instead of cutting out two. Now that you have all of the pieces cut out, ta-da! You're going to want to grab your felt and start tracing. As I started to trace, I realized I needed some stability in my pattern. So what I did is I took one of my needles and I carefully threaded it at the top of the pattern into the felt, as you can see here. And because my green was pretty dark, I went ahead and grabbed my Sharpie to use to trace instead of my pencil. And remember, you're going to want to do this twice, as you're going to need two sides for Baby Grogu. Now that you've finished tracing, go ahead and cut both of the pieces out. Once you're done cutting out your felt pieces, what you're going to want to do is put the Sharpie sides together so that when you start to sew, you won't be able to see the Sharpie marker. Here I am also just measuring up the two pieces, making sure they're nice and even and that there's not anything bumpy or too high on one spot or another. And if there is, go ahead and trim that off. Mine looks pretty good. Next up, we're going to take a scrap of the green and cut out his little hair. That's going to go on the top of his head. This is pretty tiny, so go ahead and trace it, or if you want, you could even freehand it. Whatever you are most comfortable with. Once done, I added it to the top of his head just for safekeeping for the meantime. Next up, go ahead and grab your black felt and we're going to cut out the eyes. Again, these are really tiny, so if you want to just freehand them, you are welcome to do that. Remember, you'll want to cut out two. And once I was done, I went ahead and put both of them on Grogu just for safekeeping. Now we'll trace the inside of the ears using our pink felt. I would recommend using a pencil to trace for this one, as it won't show up as much as the Sharpie marker will. And again, you're going to want to trace two of these to cut out. Once you are finished cutting out the inside of the ears, go ahead and add them to your Grogu for safekeeping. Then the final piece you're going to want to cut out is the little outfit using your brown felt. Once everything is cut out, this is what you should have. Two bodies, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 pieces of clothing, 1 piece of scarf, and 1 little hairpiece. For our next step, go ahead and get that tacky glue out. Pop open the top. You may need to cut off the top in order to open the glue up. Go ahead and do so. And then we're going to glue on the ears and the eyes. Oh, and the hair. For the eyes, just make sure you have them right in the exact spot that you really want them before gluing down. For our next step, you're going to take the little scarf and we're going to glue the scarf down onto the little clothing piece. For this part, remember that the little scarf collar is going to want to be a little bit higher, so make sure you only put the glue on the bottom part and it has a little bit of the back. So as you can see, it'll kind of cover up towards his mouth and eyes a little bit. Okay, next up is sewing. So I've got my needle all set with my thread already in the eye. Just for some stability, I'm going to glue the 2 pieces together just at the top. Now you don't have to do this, especially if you want your stuffing to go all the way into the head. So again, you're not going to want to do this if you want your stuffing to go all the way up into Grogu's head there, but I did it just for a little bit of stability, and it turns out fine in the end if you do it that way too. So as a reminder, I'm using the white string so that you can have a better visual. The first step you're going to want to do is take your green string. You're going to want to knot it at the end. And I'm going to show you how to do an overstitch. It's super simple. Now that we've gotten our thread ready, what we're going to need to do is get his little outfit on. So I'm going to take some tacky glue and I'm going to glue the front on first. And then we're going to flip them over and glue the back outfit on as well. Now that we're done gluing the little outfit on, we are going to start sewing. So you're going to want to push your needle through both sides down by the ear. So we're going to start with the ear first because we've got our green string on. You're going to pull your string all the way through till you hit that knot, and then you're going to go from the back. So an overstitch is we're going to keep going over and over, making as close to even stitches as we can from the back every time. So you're going to insert that needle into the back of your project every single time. So we're going to pull through and then poke your needle through the back. Pull through, poke your needle through the back. And you're going to continue like this all the way around his head. Once you've gotten to the end, just under his ear, go and take your needle off and tie a knot, and then trim. And then the next spot we're going to do is grab your brown thread and we're going to sew his body. Okay, now that you've gotten your brown string, what we're going to do is we're going to sew all the way around his body and we're going to stop just about here. So we have an opening to put the plush filling in. All right, don't forget to put a knot at the end of your string again. And this time we're going to start very close up towards the top. And it might be a little harder to push through this time because you're going to go through 4 layers of felt instead of just 2. So just be aware of that. And we're going to do the same technique as before. We're going to sew through and we're going to do the over stitch. So it means you're going from the same, you're pushing the needle from the same direction every single time. Oops, careful. As you can see here, I got the string stuck on his ear. That can happen sometimes. Just be aware of it. We're going to go around his entire body all the way till about halfway through so we can get that polyfill and stuff him. Okay, so I've paused the sewing. I have not tied it off. Instead, I've just paused it right here. So we have our little hole that we're going to use to put our polyfill in, and you can just start stuffing it in. What I find helpful, and you may too, is to get your pencil and use your pencil to help stuff the stuffing in. So as you can see, I can just poke it down into there, and then I can really get that stuffing into the little crevices, like up into his head if you didn't glue it down, or down into the sides. Once you have Grogu stuffed to your liking, you're going to pinch him shut and you're going to continue sewing until you've reached the very end and he's all sewn up. When you're at the end, go ahead and tie it off and then trim, and there you have your little baby Grogu. But we're not quite finished yet. He still needs a nose and a cute little mouth. So I'm taking a Sharpie marker. This one's a little bit thinner, but you can use a thicker one too. And I'm gonna do a little upside down U for a nose. And I'm just gonna create like a little squiggle for his mouth. And then the final part is his pupils for his eyes. So we're going to take a tiny bit of white felt. This is optional. You could leave him just like this if you think he's super cute. I think he's super cute. But I decided I'm going to take a little bit of the white felt to add pupils. So we're just going to cut tiny little circles, and then we're going to use the tacky glue to glue them down. he is. He's all finished. He's so cute. Please note that while this video took about 15 minutes, overall this project will take you about an hour to complete, or maybe longer. Have fun making Baby Grogu.